Hi, I'm Dr. Siegmund from CORE Chiropractic. I'm here to teach you a stretch for the hip rotators. We're going to be performing this in the standing position as well as seated. So the first one I'm going to show you is in the standing position. So you can perform this at home, at the office, anyone is beneficial. And these hip rotators are mainly incorporating the glutes as well as part of the piriformis. And these muscles come from the buttock area and they wrap around to the side of the leg. They can be very tight and they can cause you to have some issues into your hips as well as to your lower back. A good way to do this standing is just with your feet slightly apart, and then what you're going to do is make sure you have a chair next to you so that way you're not in any chance of falling. You're going to take your right leg here and put it over the left, and almost creating what looks like a number 4 with your legs. Now in order to perform this stretch, what you're going to do is you're going to slightly bend with the left leg like this, maintaining a nice neutral spine in the back, making sure you're not leaning too far forward and not leaning too far back, which might cause you some issues into your lower back. So you just slightly lean down, and what you'll do, you'll just do a small lean forward, and you should feel a nice gentle pull into that right buttock. And you want to hold that position for about 20 seconds if you can. If you feel like your left leg is going to give out on you, come back into a neutral position, relax, and then you'll perform the stretch again. And you want to do this about 5 times until you feel that nice gentle pull and that stretch into that right glute area. Do this 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening, to help with any kind of issues you have into that hip. Make sure you perform it on both sides. The next way we're going to show you is in the seated position, which is a little bit easier. And you can perform this a couple of different ways, but I'm going to show you the best way. The way you'll do this is just take a regular office chair. Make sure you do it in one that does not have wheels, because I want to take a chance on you rolling away or hurting yourself. Now the easy way to do this is to be sitting in the chair. You want to be about halfway back. You don't have to be all the way into the back of the chair, but a little bit more towards the front. Now what you're going to do is you want to stretch out that right side again. So just like the stretch standing, you're going to take that right leg and that ankle, you're going to put it over the left knee. Now in order to feel that stretch into that right glute and that right hip rotator, you're going to take both hands, take your right knee, and you're going to pull it over towards your left shoulder. Now you should feel a nice gentle pull there. What you want to make sure that you're doing is you're keeping your right hip or your bottom onto the chair. You don't want to pull away too much, because you might lose the stretch and then you might have an issue where you start pinching into the right hip. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to maintain an upright neutral position. Pull with your hands with your right knee to your left shoulder until you feel that nice gentle stretch. If you want to increase the stretch, slightly lean forward until you feel that nice pull right there into the buttock. Hold it for about 20 seconds and then let go. Perform it 5 times, making sure you're doing it on the left side as well. All right, now we're going to be performing the hip rotator stretch in the lying position. Now an easy way to do this is just you're going to lie flat on the ground. And a good way to do this is to make sure you flatten your lower back to the ground as well, to make sure that you have a good neutral position with your lower back. Now we're going to be stretching that left hip rotator. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our left leg and put it over our right knee, creating that number 4 that we talked about whenever you're performing this stretch, whenever you were standing. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take both hands, put it behind your right knee and your thigh, and you're just going to pull up. Now when you pull up, you should feel a nice gentle pull right here into the left hip rotator, a nice gentle stretch into that glute. Just perform a nice gentle pull here. Should feel it pull for, hold for about 20 seconds. After that, let go, relax, maintain that neutral position, and perform the stretch again 5 times, and making sure you do it on both sides.